we've booked a yurt off to the dunes. It rained a lot last night.
We're doing it! Going to Montreal!
No. We were originally supposed to go to Montreal this week, so we took the week off, but a multitude of different factors led to why we're no longer going. But since we had the time off, we wanted to still get away for a little bit. So we've booked a yurt at Lake Diefenbaker, and we are going camping for the evening.
No, we're going yurting!
Okay, well, sure. But that is where we're heading off to. We have left, the vehicle is packed full, and Logan and I just went and got a few different groceries for our day today and tomorrow. And we ended up buying bush pie filling, which is just pie filling. And in doing so, we realized that we don't have a way to open the can. We don't have a can opener. So Logan is back in the store and buying us one, and then we'll actually be on our way.
Let's go somewhere far away.
You know.
As if all I have is you, and I'll be just fine.
We'll stop at the wood. It's wood.
I'll be
And then we'll go
just fine.
to our yurt. What's it doing, hon? You made it!
Home sweet home.
Days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if
What are your first thoughts?
For 85 bucks? Solid.
I'll be just fine.
Now time to make it feel like our home. It's such a cute little restaurant.
You're the best.
Aww. So many little bird prints.
You're gonna make bird prints, Katie?
Yeah.
Okay. Boo! Why can't we have this nice of water anywhere else?
We are now heading out to the sand dunes, and I've wanted to go to sand dunes I think since 2020 when COVID happened. We couldn't leave the province, so I found that we have a bunch actually in province and just haven't made it there yet. So I think we have about a 2.5 kilometer hike is what some guy just told us, and we will then be at the dunes. That little orb of sand in the middle.
Atta girl.
Tell me this doesn't feel like we're going straight into the Lion King.
Yeah, this car is already taken over.
It's just so bare and dry, but I guess that would make sense. So,
Onward and upward.
keeping on, keeping on. We stopped for a little water break.
Water break.
How are you feeling?
I'm great. I wish I could get there. 3/4 of the way in.
So, getting close. Bugs are just starting to bite, but nothing too crazy, thankfully. Nothing like Cuba was.
On the road again. Caitlin's on the road again. I love you too. Made it. See some sand.
Let's go home.
There's coyotes. Hi, cutie.
Come on.
We made it. We're alive. The Yotes didn't get us.
Well, I don't really know if you could hear much or if you recorded much, but as we were finishing getting our photos and just enjoying the dunes, all of a sudden Logan heard something. I was like, I think that's just birds, but it was definitely coyotes. And so we were a little on edge, walking a little faster on our way back, hey? than our way in. But I know they're not actually to be concerned about, but a little unsettling when you're in the middle of nowhere and haven't seen people for an hour and a half and then you hear them. So
Yep.
We're back home safe and sound though.
Yep. Back at the yurt.
And
Cool.
we've now just got a fire going. I made kebabs, so we'll assemble those and get cooking on our supper.
Everyone's running like they stole a dream. Images of magazines.
Hand sanitizer
Take your
and shower
chance
meeting.
while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass, watching how nothing lasts. The streets are filled with a hollow glow. The bellies ache where shallow hunger grows. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows older, we all just wanna start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promised land.
Thank you.
Where do you hide on a quiet night when your fears are nestled by your side? The TV screen burns too bright. You sit and talk, a ghost behind your eyes.
It is the next morning, and overall I would say we slept pretty well.
Good enough.
At least I slept fairly well. It rained a lot last night, and it was quite loud in the yurt, just hearing it trickle down on the canvas roof. But overall, I would say it went pretty good. We slept, I think, till 8:15
Yeah.
ish. So pretty good for camping. We then went for a little walk, and now we're just sipping on our hot chocolates, about to have some cinnamon buns that I made the other night for breakfast, and then we'll slowly get packed up and start heading our way home.
Successful.
It's been a good trip.
I just want a little more time.
And thanks for today.
Everyone grows colder, we all just wanna start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promised land.
Goodbye, yurt. You've been good to us. We'll miss you.
It was fun yurting.
Logan insists that this is how we take the garbage to the garbage can, so it's now on the hood of the car.